Welcome, Stephanie here with Infinity Massage Chairs. Today I'm going to review how to clean and care for your chair. This way you can ensure your Infinity Massage Chair stays in mint condition for years to come. First up is the synthetic leather. This includes most of the chair's interior and exterior lining. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe the leather down. If it is slightly dirty, dampen your cloth with a gentle cleaning solution or water, or Lysol wipes also work great for this purpose. Do not use any corrosive agents like benzene or thinner, as these can cause discoloring, eroding, and even cracks in the material. Once you're done cleaning the leather, wipe it with a dry cloth and let the rest air dry. Don't blow dry it or use any heat to dry. Any cloth material on your chair, such as the arm and calf airbag lining, can be spot cleaned. Dampen a cloth with a weak neutral detergent and gently clean where necessary. Avoid cleaning the cloth too often though, as not to cause wear and tear. Plastic parts such as the base of the chair or the outer shell if you own the Iyashi can be easily cleaned with a cloth dipped into a neutral detergent. Then wipe it with another water dampened cloth and finally dry it with a clean dry one. Your massage chair remote may have some fingerprints and need cleaning too. Simply use a cloth lightly dampened with water to wipe it down and allow it to air dry. Make sure your cloth is not too wet to avoid moisture seeping into the remote. Again, remember not to use any harsh chemicals or alcohols to clean your massage chair surfaces. And we also advise not to place your chair in direct sunlight because the color will fade. If you do have to keep it in a sunny area, like a sunroom, protect it with a throw blanket or other cover to prevent fading. Once you follow these steps, your chair will be sparkling in no time. If you have any other questions about caring for your Infinity Massage Chair, give us a call at 603-347-6006.